Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a branded welcome screen in Wix. This feature allows you to create a professional first impression for mobile visitors by displaying your logo or brand image before they enter your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, offering you several options. From here, click on Website to access your site settings. Now you should see the website settings page. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add a branded welcome screen. It's important to verify you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the visual editor where you can make all your design changes. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. Here's where things get interesting. The first thing we need to do is access the mobile view. Since the welcome screen feature is specifically designed for mobile visitors, locate the mobile view icon on the top left corner of your screen. Once you see a mobile icon, click on it to switch your workspace to mobile mode. In the mobile view, you'll notice that it has a different set of tools located on the left navigation panel. This is because mobile editing requires different functionalities than desktop editing. Locate the mobile tool, which looks like a wrench icon, and click on it. A left side panel will appear with various mobile-specific options. From here, click on Welcome Screen. This will open the Welcome Screen Designer window where all the magic happens. You can start your customization by adding your logo. Wix gives you the choice between uploading an image or using a vector art file. For this tutorial, we'll upload an image, so go ahead and click on Image. Now you have a couple of options. You can either use stock images from Wix's library or upload your own by clicking on the plus Upload Media button. When you click Upload Media, you'll see several options to choose from, including your computer, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, or even a direct URL. For this video, we'll simply use the Upload from Computer function. Click on Upload from Computer, and a file explorer will appear. Locate and select the logo you wish to use on your welcome screen. Once you've selected it, click on Open. You might need to wait a moment while it finishes uploading, especially if it's a larger file. Then click on Add to Page, located on the bottom right of your screen. Once your logo has been added, you can start customizing the welcome animation of your logo and set the direction it moves. You can also choose a different background color to make your logo stand out or match your brand colors. To check the animation you've set, you can click on the Play Animation button on the top part of your screen. This lets you preview exactly what your mobile visitors will see when they first land on your site. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Done, and that's it. You've successfully added a branded welcome screen to your Wix site, giving your mobile visitors a polished, professional experience right from the start. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.